plant some plants. These are called Jiffy pellets. Jiffy pellets. So I'm gonna soak them in water, and they're gonna like increase in size, and then I can put the seeds in there. So let me show you. So these are some of the plants that I've planted. These are some vegetables. I've just harvested some of them. So this is called Indian borage. Indian borage. It's very good for cough. So these are some of the new plants that I'm going to put some shisho leaves in there. Tomato. Okay. So this is my small little garden. It's not the best looking garden. Okay, so these are the Jiffy pellets. I'm going to put in some water right now. Water! Alright, so just gonna soak them in water for 15 to 20 minutes. Then they're gonna be like much bigger than this. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. Now we can watch them grow in size. So they're slowly becoming bigger and bigger. Looks like our Jiffies are much bigger now. Look at them, look at them. Whoa. Woohoo! Good stuff, man. Good stuff. So these are really, really healthy Jiffies for my seeds. So these are the plants that I'll be planting today. So we have the bak choy and the gai choy, and then I don't know what they're called. And then we have like red spinach and crunchy cucumber, and most importantly, these are the rare shisho leaves from Japan. Woohoo! Okay, now since I don't have a tray to put my Jiffies yet, I'm just gonna put it over here. Okay, yeah. And when I get trays, I'm gonna put the newer ones in the trays. Okay, since I like this bak choy, a lot, so I'm gonna plant this bak choy in these Jiffies. Now for the remainder of the Jiffies, I'm gonna just put this rare shisho. So this shisho is actually bicolor shisho. Can you see this? Bicolor shisho. It has like purple on one side and green on one side, and it is very rare. So that's why it's called rare shisho. So these are my Jiffies. So I'm gonna put the seeds in there, and done for the day. So can you see the small little seeds on it? So once I put the seed on there, I can just push it in. Then they're gonna grow very well. Just like that. Just like that. Push it in. With this toothpick. Some are actually already in. Alright, so now I'm just gonna wait.